Yeah, so in the previous video we have looked into different column operations. Like first we have defined the schema for our CSV, then we have changed the name of the column. Also we have created a new column. We have used drop function to drop our columns, so we have dropped single column at a time and multiple column at a time. Now we will look how to create a UDF, a user defined functions in PySpark. Like UDFs are very important. If you want to customize column data as per your needs, then you have to use UDF. So today we will apply a UDF based on the gender column. Like if we have gender is male, then we will give certain salary to the employee, and if the gender is female, we will give certain salary to the employee, and then we will analyze the data frame. So let's go ahead. So first we have to import the UDFs. So let's write from PySpark.sql functions import UDF. So we have imported our UDF. Now we have to first create the function. So let's say we have function give salary. It will take gender as an input, so we will pass here gender. Now if gender equal to male, then let's say we are giving him salary of 20,000, return 20,000. If gender equal to female, return let's say 22,000. So this is our function which will convert our gender column and give us a new column salary. So let's first register this UDF. So what we have to do, we have to say salary UDF is equal to UDF. Then we have to give lambda we have just one input, so we'll give s. Function is give salary, we will pass it f. Now we have to give a return type. So in this case the return type is integer, so we say integer type. Now we have to create a new column salary, so we will say df equal to df dot with column is salary, and we have to give the UDF. So it is salary UDF, and to pass UDF dot gender here. And we say df dot. So let's execute this. So yeah, it will be UDF. This will be just a df. So we have a salary of 20,000 for male, 22,000 for female. So this is our first method to create salary. Now let's say we want to create, so there is a second method. So this is method 2. We will use at the rate of UDF. You have to give a return type. Return type will be integer type. We will generate a function. Let's say we just copy this function. Now here we give underscore 1 to 20,000. We will give something 3. If you will give a 32, something 38. just df equal to df dot with column. Here will be new salary. It will be give salary 1 df dot gender. Just we have to give df dot so. We have new salary 30,000 and 38,000. So what we have looked here, like so there are two ways to create an UDF. First is to just import the function in UDF. We will define the function when we will register the UDF. The second method is just while creating function we will use the @UDF operator here, and we just define then. So this is the main important part. We have to give the return type as an integer, string, anything that we have to used in the new column. So this is for the UDF part.